Welcome back. The market's not doing particularly well, though there has been some recovery from the lows. Let's go across to Nigel, who's standing by at the FNO desk to give us the early trends. Nigel.
Well, that's right, Mangalam. You know, the markets are looking a little bit jittery, and the problem is we're breaking crucial technical levels. The problem is that we are lacking a positive trigger actually to move up. And as we speak, the VIX has popped up close to around 6-7% odd, but it's popping up from bombed out levels. The reason that I say that we're at a very, very crucial juncture is now the Nifty, you know, just a few minutes ago, was more than 450 points away from the 20 DMA. And if we have an extremely weak close today, then it opens up that journey towards the 200 DMA, which is around the 24,100 odd mark. So that's the important mark that we're talking about. And the key batsman, or the one that's been holding one end up, has been the Nifty Bank. That has broken the 20 DMA, and it's close to around 300 points away from the 50 DMA. And that's the level from where it's bounced. So if the markets need to bounce, we need to hold on to this 24,800, 24,850 odd mark. And that's what the bulls will be hoping for. Now, looking at the PCR, well, that's come down to around 0.73 odd. How has that happened? Because the call writers, they feel they're back in business. Just take a look at the kind of addition you have seen. 25,000 calls suddenly has seen a lot of addition in today's trading session. The premium has crashed by close to around 60%. So out there, the call writers, they are dancing away because the premium is crashing. They are eating to the premium. 24,900 call as well, similar is the case out there. Massive erosion in premium. And after a while, I'm seeing that the lower puts as well are opening up. Look at the 24,600 put. Out there, the premium has moved up by 150%. So at the start of today, it was only around 15-18 rupees or thereabouts. Now that number has moved to close to around 45 rupees. So those put buyers are now making some money. Stocks that I'm looking at, well, SBI Life, that's one of the few stocks that are seeing fresh buying in today's trading session. So some mild open risk build up is what we're seeing on that one. IEX, yesterday it saw massive open risk build up. The stock got cracked. Today what's happened is there's a big short covering bounce that's playing about. And as I just checked last, the open interest as a percentage of MWPL, that's come down to around 82-83%. If it ends below that 80% odd mark, then the stock will come out of the FNO ban. So that's a stock you need to track, particularly towards the end of trade. If there is further shedding in open interest, it will come out of the FNO ban, which means fresh positions can be taken in the FNO market. Phoenix Mills, it seems some part of the street was bracing for a weak set of numbers or a negative development, because that one has popped up 6%, and now the shorts are gradually covering out. Two more stocks that I'm looking at, IDFC First Bank, big open risk built up out there, that comes out with its numbers tomorrow. And SAIL, I think the street is sniffing that those numbers will be a little bit disappointing. So the open interest built up is massive on that front. As I said earlier, though, for the Nifty, 24,800 mark has to hold out today. The close above the 24,850 mark is something that we're looking at as well, because if it breaks that level, then it opens up a level towards the 200 DMA, which is a deep 800 points away from current levels. Back to you guys.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Nigel. Keeping an eye out on those important levels over there, 24,800 is an important mark over there. But on that note, slipping into a very short break, a reminder for our viewers, unlock a world of exclusivity, expertise and influence. Become a member of CNBC-TV18 Access, a premium members-only experience on CNBC-TV18.com. The membership includes access to CNBC-TV18's flagship events, interaction with our journalists, along with curated studio tours, e-learning sessions and masterclasses, and curated lifestyle benefits.